Regular falsi method, also known as the false position. So for regular falsi method, kung sa may bisection method, you have solved C is equal to A plus B over 2. This time, for regular falsi, our C is equal to this. In your A, again, your A is your lower limit, and your B is your upper limit. FB is the function of B, and FA is the function of B. Now, solving the same problem, parang dun sa may bisection, we're going to determine the root for this function using regular falsi method. So, again, the very first thing you have to do is to determine possible roots. Parang dun sa may ginawa natin sa bisection method, let's try using x is equal to 1. So, substitute 1 dito sa ating function. So, function of 1 is equal to negative 0.6, 1 squared plus 2.4 times 1 plus 5.5. And this is equal to negative 0.6 plus 1 squared plus 2.4 plus 5. This is equal to positive 7. Let's try to use negative 1. So again, substitute negative 1 dito sa ating function. 0.6 negative 1 squared plus 2.4 times 1 plus 5.5. This is equal to, we have already solved this a while ago. This is equal to negative 1 point, negative 1 is 2.5, sorry. Pansinin ninyo, si 7.3 ay positive, 2.5 is also positive. Pareho sila ng sign, so I need to determine again another possible root para magkaroon ako ng negative value. Kailangan na pagpipili kayo ng inyong mga possible roots, you have to take the negative and positive functions para magkaroon tayo ng ating mga limits. Okay? So, if I'm going to use x is equal to negative 2, the function of negative 2 is equal to negative 0.6 times negative 2 squared plus 2.4 times 2, negative 2 plus 5.5. This is equal to negative 1.7. So, ito ngayon ang gagamitin ko. Since yung isang function ay positive 2.5, yung isa naman ay negative 1.7. Kaiba sila ng sign. So, ito ngayon ang magiging basehan ko para makakuha ako ng ating mga possible roots. So, ang root ng function na to ay between negative 1 and negative 2. Given this, what will be my lower limit and what would be my upper limit? Again, if I'm going to draw or pag i-graph ko itong mga points na to, diba dito ay 0 sa ating Cartesian plane. If I'm going to locate negative 1, dito siya. Negative 2, dito naman siya. So, yung aking root sa function na to ay between negative 1 and 2. Kung ito ay ang aking point of origin, the lower limit, yun yung point na pinakamalayo kay 0. Yung upper limit naman, yun yung point na pinakamalapit kay 0. Now, looking here, dito kasi nandito siya sa may second quadrant. Looking here, negative 1 becomes my upper limit, negative 2 becomes my lower limit. But for instance, yung kinuha naman ninyong possible root ay 1 and 2. Ito si 1, ito si 2. Obviously, kapag nandito na kayo sa may first quadrant, since naka-positive siya, your upper limit becomes 2 and your lower limit becomes 1. See the difference? Kapag negative 1 naman and negative 2, your upper limit is negative 1 and your lower limit is negative. Okay? Yan po ang difference kapag dun sa may positive and negative part tayo na yung season. Okay, so for that, na-determine ko na si A and B. Isusulat ko na lang siya dito sa my table. My A is negative 2 and my B is negative 1. Again, the function of A, if I'm going to substitute itong A na to dito sa my function of X, my answer here is negative 1.7. Kuha natin yan kanina. So, for function of B, negative 1 is 2.5. Now, for C, susundan ko lang yung equation na to. So, for C, at 0 iteration, that is equal to A, my A is negative 2 multiplied by the function of B, that is 2.5, minus B, that is negative 1, multiplied by the function of A, that is negative 1.7, divide it by function of B, 2.5, minus the function of A, negative 1.7. Given this, my C at iteration 0 is equal to that is equal to negative 1.595. Negative 1.5. Yan yung C sa may iteration 0. Again, pag itong C na to, negative 1.5952, isa-substitute ko siya dito sa may function of X. Ang makukuha kong value ng function of C is 0.14456. Since yung aking FC ay positive, since this is positive, A will remain, but B will change. Ulitin ko, since FC is positive, A will remain as negative 2, but B will change into negative 1.595. Okay? Then, parang ginawa natin kanina, substitute itong negative 2 dito sa may fx. This is the same as negative 1.7. Or FB, substitute itong negative 1.5952 dito sa may fx. Ang lalabas sa aking calculator, 0.14456. Then for my C, again, gagamitin ko yung equation na to para makuha ko yung C. That is now equal to negative 1.62696. Okay? Function of C, ulit, using this function of X, isa-substitute ko itong negative 1.62696. Ang ating function of C ay magiging 0.0071. Ma'am, kailan ako titigil sa pagkuha ko ng iterations? Kung dun sa may bisection method ang naging basehan natin is the difference between B and B. This time, ito yung pansinin ninyo. If the function of C is almost equal to 0, that's the time you have to stop. Okay? So, since 0.0071, 0 naman na yan, ma'am. Kung maaari, up to 0.001 para maging mas precise tayo sa ating magiging sagot. Okay? So, I'll continue my iteration. Again, this is positive. Yung FC ko ay positive. A will remain as negative 2. B will change into negative 1.62696. My FA is the same as 1.7. My FB is 0.0071. So, again, makukuha ko si C. Gamitin natin itong equation na to. So, ang lalabas sa aking calculator is negative 1.6285. 1. Up to 5 decimal points. Then, my FC here is equal to 0.0000345. Okay, so itong iteration 2, it is almost equal to 0. You may want to continue further para mas maging accurate tayo. But I'm going to stop here. Okay? So, since itong FC ko dito sa may iteration 2 is equal to 0.000345, I'm going to stop here. Therefore, the value of my x is this one. Yung ating value ng C. So, ang final answer ko dito, the x root for the function negative 0.6x squared plus 2.4x plus 5.5 is almost equal to negative 1.62851. Ito yung sagot ko using Regula Falsi. Yung sagot natin kanina using bisection is equal to negative 1.62842. See, halos parehas sila. Nagkaroon lang ng difference because of a rounding out of numbers. But if you want to continue further with these iterations, mas makakakuha tayo ng mas malapit na value ng x root. Okay? Tandaan lang natin for the regular Falsi, if the FC here is positive, A will remain, B will change. As for the bisection method, pansinin natin, balikan natin yung ginawa natin sa bisection method. If the FC is positive, the same, our A will remain, our B will change. Okay? So that is bisection method and regular Falsi method.